Welcome to NoCodeNerd episode 14. So, today we're talking about Trello. Trello is a pretty basic tool. If you haven't seen Trello before, you should really check out Trello. It's one of the better workspace tools on the web. Super accessible, free to use, but they do have a wonderful paid plan as well. So, this is Trello. This is a good example. I use Trello for my agency. I'm not going to show you my agency Trello because there's a bunch of stuff on there that's a little weird. This is a good example of a Trello board, right? You create little, lists, right, of items. This is a backlog. This is the last release just to keep kind of things moving. This is their next sprint. This is for PWA. This is for another one of the tools that I've done on the NoCode tool, or the NoCodeNerd little episode series. They have their Trello public, so people can see this is their product roadmap, right? People can see their public product roadmap and check when new features are coming out, how they can vote for different things, right? I used to use this as my to-do list app. I use it to manage my entire agency. I do have a tiny little agency that helps people edit live streams and podcasts, and I do it all the work through there just to keep track of what's being edited, what's done, what needs to be paid for, what is far in the past, so just so we can keep track of what we've completed. All that stuff in a Kanban format. Kanban is just where you have cards that you can move to different lists, right? Highly recommend it. I used to use Trello so much more a while ago before I worked out like systems with to-do lists and everything. Now I have a couple different tools, but you could probably use it to run your entire life if I'm being totally honest. It's a wonderful tool. Check it out if you need a workspace, especially that helps you be efficient, helps you keep track of certain items. Give it a shot. Trello's great, but it's probable that you've already heard of it because they have done a great job of advertising themselves. Awesome. I'll see you in the next episode. Have a wonderful day.